So how many of you want to improve your memory and become confident like me? Type it down C in the chat box. Thank you all. So who wants to turn memory into a strong life skill? Type it down S in the chat box. Thank you all. Hi, my name is Hafiza. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka. I am a homemaker and I'm a Diamond Elite member in CI community. Here I would like to thank Kirtan sir who has given me this opportunity. His constant support and guidance, I am completing my project. And I would like to thank the community and audience who is present, who are here, and I am presenting here and who is listening me very patiently. Here is my journey before CI. So I had a fear of facing the camera. I could not remember maths formula and numbers. I used to procrastinate and delay my work. Forget why open the fridge or cupboard. I would just stand there and confused, trying to remember. I was afraid of using gadgets and technical cheese. Yes. So when I completed my foundation journey and success ready, then after I have to start my memory magic skill. So I connected with Anita. She is my growth buddy. And when I connected with her, so I listened her. She is a homemaker, and whatever she is facing right now, I have faced earlier. Like I am a homemaker, so we have started our journey, and we just make a timetable, and we support and motivate each other every day. We never give up, even when we were tired. We complete our 20 project together and receive our medal on the same day. Today, we are confidently presenting ourselves together and showing the power of partnership. So here I have completed 20 projects and I received a certificate and medal. Yes, this is the speed reading. So earlier I was procrastinate myself. I was feeling bored when I start the reading. But after using the memory magic skill, I have completed my first book and then this is my second book. Initially my reading speed was 210 word per minute, but right now my speed reading is current reading speed is 315 word per minute. So start doing project with learning new foreign language. So how many of you want to learn a new foreign language with fun way? Type it down F in the chat box. Thank you Pragya, thank you Kushbuji, thank you Sai Vaishnavi, thank you all. So here I using remembering this number with not memory not singing way. So how I remember this like ichini sen shi go roku sichi hachi kuju. This how I remember this ascending order. While I want to use this descending order, so I also read like a singing way. Zuku hachi haji sichi roku go shi sen nichi. So how I remember this foreign language like a singing way. So how many of you want to learn this like a language like a singing way? Type in down S in the chat box. So when learning become a music, it stay in your memory. Thank you. So I have learned Burmese language. Earlier I know about this language, but I could not remember the words. But here I can remember these words easily after using the memory magic skill. Here is the first word, Minglaba. This is a hello. Chezuti Bade, thank you. Ne Kaula, how are you? Ne Bade, fine. Name Belolole, what is your name? Ga Name Hafiza Ba. My name is Hafiza. How I remember these words? By using the technique of memory magic. So what changed in me after using the memory magic and attending here in CI community? I have a more awareness on brain health. My ability to remember has improved a lot. I am a new confident in using gadgets and technology. So here started doing a project with memory challenge. So earlier I was a procrastinate myself. I don't remember anything easily. Even my daily routine work I cannot remember easily. But then I create a memory clock which I have learned in memory magic skill. And then I start using this when I have to wake up this. So I have made this memory clock and then at 5:30 a.m. I have to wake up anyhow. Then I have to do yoga at 7 a.m. I want to do Zumba at 10 a.m. I want to do public speaking or I want to go outside for public speaking at 11 a.m. I want to buy groceries at 6 p.m. This is how I use memory clock and I can remember easily everything. So I learned to complete my project in 3 weeks with consistency and focus. Earlier I was not consistent and I procrastinate everything, like I want to do something, but one day 2 day I will do, but not it was come. But right now I'm doing everything like with consistency and with discipline. So I have completed my 20 projects within 3 weeks. What lesson I have learned from here? I learned to believe in myself. I face the camera confidently, and I have start my YouTube channel, and this is the YouTube channel and Instagram channel. I learned to manage my time and stop procrastinate. I realized the daily practice bring real growth. I stop delaying my work, become disciplined. And what I learned here, age is just a number. So start from today. Thank you. Thank you so much for everyone.